Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing fine. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about an amal that is sufficient for all our needs, all our duas and all our wishes. This is the amal of astaghfirullah. We know that it is mentioned in the Quran that we should make dua daily. Astaghfirullah, seeking forgiveness has the power to bring blessings into our lives, such as wealth, children, and the resolution of problems. Just one word, astaghfirullah, I ask Allah for forgiveness, is enough to fulfill our needs. The main thing to remember is that when we recite astaghfirullah, we should not just say it with our tongues while our mind and heart are somewhere else. Many times we say astaghfirullah, but we are distracted, thinking about worldly matters. If we do dhikr, remembrance of Allah, this way we won't get the desired results. This is why we may remain empty handed. So, whenever you face any issue, whether it's financial difficulties, loan, marriage proposals, issues with children, business problems, health issues, or even if you don't have children, just focus on this powerful practice of astaghfirullah. It can bring solutions to all kinds of problems. After reciting every salah, stay seated and recite astaghfirullah 300 times and can choose any form of astaghfirullah such as astaghfirullahi rabbi min kulli zambi wa atubu ilay, rabbi gfirli, allahumma gfirli. You can recite any astaghfar you prefer, but make sure to do it 300 times with full concentration and focus. Feel that you are in the presence of Allah, sincerely asking for forgiveness for your sin, repenting with humility. Let your heart feel ashamed of your all wrongdoings as you keep repeating astaghfirullah. After every salah, sit and start by reciting 3 tasbeehs of astaghfirullah. Let the words come from your heart, not just your tongue. Then recite Durud Ibrahimi 3 times, followed by astaghfirullah 300 times, and finish with Durud Ibrahim 3 more times. After completing astaghfar, go into sajda and ask Allah for forgiveness. Share your wishes, desires, and problems with Him. Tell Allah about the troubles you are facing, the need you have, and sincerely ask for His help. Make this a habit after every salah. If you perform tahajjud salah, do this practice after tahajjud as well. You can also do it before sleeping. If you perform chasht salah, include this practice afterward, as there is a promise of wealth associated with it. Those who regularly perform tahajjud, blessed with wealth, respect, and many other blessings, even for their future generation. If you consistently perform chasht salah and recite astaghfar 300 times, afterward, you will begin to see a positive change within 7 days. You will notice your problems starting to resolve. If you are facing financial issues, resources will come to your way, and job opportunities may also open up for you. Your business will start to grow, and if you have any illness, inshallah, it will heal. Keep doing this practice, and may Allah bless you with children and solve any problem in your life. If you are facing challenges, do this amal and recite astaghfar 300 times after every salah. Place your head in sajda, express your desires, and make dua while feeling that you are in the presence of Allah. Focus on Allah alone, letting go of worldly matters, and concentrate on seeking forgiveness for your sin. Sincerely repenting afterward, make your personal dua, asking Allah for whatever you need. Inshallah, within 7 days, you will begin to see your problems start to resolve. Resources and unexpected help come into your life, and you will witness Allah granting you everything you desire. These are the blessings of astaghfar, but it must be done with concentration, focus, and love. Afterward, you may ask Allah for anything you wish, and inshallah, you will receive it. Try this practice for 7 days, and you will see miracles into your life. Share this with others so they may also benefit, and keep continuing this practice throughout your life, so everything will be possible for you. All your desires and needs in life will be fulfilled, and you will receive success from all directions. Inshallah. Astaghfar holds immense power, a power beyond words. Just practice astaghfar in this way, as it will change your life. This single word will bring you closer to realizing your dream. Do this consistently and witness the miracle in your life. May Allah bless us all and accept our prayers. Ameen.